Namaskar, আমি Shati. Recently I have read this book, Before the Coffee Gets Cold, written by Toshikazu Kawagachi. It is a Japanese fiction book. And here I am today to share 4 basic yet mesmerizing lines of this book with you all. Let's come to the main topic then. The first line says, life doesn't get served to you on a plate. The second one says, she was free-spirited. She wanted to do things without having to worry what others thought. She simply lived for her freedom. The third line says, it feels like something we haven't done for ages, just sitting here looking at each other. And the fourth line says, no matter what difficulties people face, they will always have the strength to overcome them. It just takes heart. So that's it for today. দেখা হচ্ছে আপনাদের সঙ্গে অন্য কোনো দিন অন্য কোনো ভিডিওতে। ততক্ষণ পর্যন্ত আপনারা ভালো থাকুন, সুস্থ থাকুন আর হাসতে থাকুন।